Open Settings. Go to Video option. Base canvas resolution will be 1920 by 1080. Output scaled resolution will also be same as above, that is 1920 by 1080. Downscale filter will be disabled. FPS value set to 60. Apply. Now go to Output. Output mode. Select Advanced. Select the Recording tab. Type. Select Standard. Now under Recording Settings, Recording Path. Select the location at which you want to save your recorded videos. Recording format. Choose between MP4 or MKV. Video encoder. Choose between NVIDIA NVENC H.264 or NVIDIA NVENC AV1. Audio encoder. Choose FMPEG AAC. Audio track. Select all. Rescale output will be disabled. Leave these settings empty. That is by default. Encoder settings. Ray control. Choose constant QP. Constant QP will be 15. Keyframe interval 1 seconds. Preset. Select the P7 slowest, the best quality. Tuning. Select high quality. Multi-pass mode. Select 2 passes full resolution. Profile will be made. Look ahead and adaptive quantization. Select both of these. B frames 2 seconds. B frames as reference will be disabled. Leave this empty and apply. Now go to Audio tab. In Audio tab you are going to change audio bitrate of all the tracks to 320. Apply and press OK.